Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to connect your Phantom wallet to Photon Sol in just a few minutes. If you're new to Solana or using Phantom, don't worry, this process is super simple. Once you know where to click first, make sure you already have Phantom wallet installed and set up on your browser or mobile device. If you don't have it yet, go to the official Phantom website or your app store, download it, and create your wallet. Once you've got that done, head over to the Photon Sol platform. When you're on the Photon Sol website, you'll see a button that says Connect Wallet. Go ahead and click that. A list of compatible wallets will pop up, and from the options, choose Phantom. As soon as you click Phantom, a pop-up from your wallet will appear asking you to approve the connection. This is basically Phantom confirming that you want to link your wallet to Photon Sol. Review the details, and if everything looks right, just hit Connect or Approve. That's it. Your Phantom wallet is now linked to Photon Sol. From here, you'll be able to interact with the platform, manage your tokens, and start using all the features that Photon Sol has to offer. Always make sure you're on the official Photon Sol site before connecting, and never approve a connection if something looks suspicious. Security is super important when dealing with crypto, and that's how easy it is to connect Phantom wallet to Photon Sol. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.